AshaKosh, and today I'm gonna be doing a video on how to get the wet hair look. So no, you guys, this is not my hair. I know it looks just like my hair. I know. You don't even have to tell me. You don't have to tell me. I know it looks just like my hair. This hair is a wig that I made using the hair from. And if you want to know what I have in, it's gonna be right here. And if I have a discount code, it'll be right here. And also in the description box, we'll have all the links for you for everything that I have. Because I got you, girl. I got you. You don't even got to ask me. You don't even got to comment. It's in the description. I got you. Got you. We like this. I know. But today, I really love how I see all these celebrities get this wet, curly look. And I'm like, I have 4A hair. 4A, 3C hair. My hair can't do that. Like my hair looks wet for the first hour of my wash and go, but after that it gets big. It gets big. So I got these curly locks that actually is similar to my texture of my hair, but it's just better because it's not my hair. So it gives me that length, and since it's not my texture hair, like it's not 4A, 3C hair, I can do a little bit more with it, like actually get the wet look without wetting my hair, because my hair is wet for like an hour and that looks gone. So I'm trying to get that shower wet look out of the shower. So let's get it. So I'm gonna be using this water bottle with some water in it. Probably using the Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Gel. I also have some mousse because you guys, I've tried this before and I got the look, but it didn't last long, as you guys can tell. I want it to last like throughout the whole day. So that's why I got like those holding products. But what really gives you that look is the leave-in conditioner. I'm telling you, because I tried it. I wasn't about to do this video with not even trying to do the experience on myself. How am I going to tell you how to do something if I haven't even tried it myself? So I already got you. I already got the experience. Girl, I got you. So this is what we're going to start doing. We're going to wet this side of hair. You won't get this damp, you guys. You're trying to get the wet look. And I also have a dimming brush just to comb out the curls. And you guys can already tell on this side how this side already looks wet and this side is just dry, and this is what it looks like. So this is what I'm going for, but I want it to stay. So this is the look. Alright, so first I'm gonna use the leave-in conditioner. You can use whatever leave-in conditioner you have. Just make sure it's a leave-in conditioner, because you don't want to use conditioner, because other conditioners you have to wash out. I'm just going to give a generous little amount in my hand and just rake it through the hair. And this conditioner also conditions the hair so it can be softer. So conditioner, conditioner, conditioner. That's also why I got the dimming brush, just to work all the products through. If you have this texture here, I guess if you want to get a wet look, this is what you'll use. Very wet, right. Now I'm going to use the Blueberry Bliss gel, and I'm going to put that in the hair as well. And I'm going to use some mousse. Girl, I don't think you understand. You see the difference, you guys? This is what the hair looks like with the wetness of the hair. This is what it looks like dried. You can't go wrong with either side, as you guys can tell. And they're defined when it's wet, so. Alright, and now the other side. And that's how you do it. It's very simple and very easy to do. And I'll come back in a few minutes or in a couple of hours to show you what it looks like after it's dried a little bit, so you can see that it's going to still stay wet and have that look for the whole entire day. So I'm not playing with y'all. I'm back and it's been a couple of hours, and as you guys can tell, it still looks dripping wet, even though it's not. It's 100% dry. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I can't wait to see you guys on my next video. Let's do a comment of the day. If you guys are watching this video, and comment down what's your favorite place to go vacation. My favorite place is to go on vacation. West Palm Springs would be the best place I've been to on vacation.